So, what about that little Hoover right there in bed? Excuse me, I'm not a little Hoover. My name is Chipper Doodles, and I want hot pants right now. I want baby robes, and I want all of this. I'm not just a little Hoover, I'm the best dog ever.
Honey, move away. That little Hoover, Chipperdoodles, is one of the craziest dogs. We need to go now.
But, I want to pet it. You better learn that, or Sir Champ, you better know it. And you better address me by that, 'cause I ain't gonna listen to no little Hoover now. Yeah, 'cause my name is Chipperdoodles. 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 I'm Chipperdoodles, I ain't no little Hoover. I'm Chipperdoodles. Sure, I'll sniff it, but that doesn't make me a Hoover. I'm a little Chipperdoodles, you better learn that. Wow, my name is Chipperdoodles. Chipperdoodles. I guess I gotta spell it out for you since you can't learn. Chipperdoodles. Chipperdoodles. You better learn it.
No, he's having a musical. Come on, baby, let's get out of here before he kicks us out of this entire planet.
I never thought of that. I think I will. Yeah, but before you leave, I just want you to know my name is Chipperdoodles.
Wait, Chipperdoodles, can't we work something out? I'll help you turn this planet back into Doggyland. And, I'll be your servant. I'll fix Doggy about whenever you want, please.
Breaking news, dog named Chipperdoodles is having a fight with two women.
I guess I've made it on the news about a million times already. Time to do something no one is gonna ever like. All because that little kid called me a little Hoover.
Find out what happens next in the next song, or whatever musical thing.